All right, we're from Queens. Stop doing that. So we're okay. We are doing well. We have to move from our house because it's 40, we've been 40 hours without power, and for some reason she's playing this hysterical, which I don't understand. So we had a 1 week vacation, which I don't understand. Stop it. And so this is what's happening. So we have to find a way to move on. We had a week of vacation, unwanted, not really vacation, because usually vacation it's me playing FIFA 13, and I've not been able to do that, so it's quite upsetting. So it's not really a vacation for me. No power, it's cold in the house, we had to move to relative to Queens, and that's where we are now. So, but we're good. So I hope that all of you also are good, my dear forensic students. This is what's going to be important. What's going to be important is we'll have to move on. So we look at drugs, chocolate drug, and also fiber. So that's going to be the next chapter. Fiber.
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 Yes. So
And diet. Diet is the one we all have the intern.
I don't know what you're saying. So that's going to be the next test. The test on this will be somewhere next week. It's not over yet, don't say bye. And we'll have to take a look at that. We'll have to take a look at when the test, I'm going to say probably by the end of next week will be the test on this. So, imperative for you to come with your clothes of different brands so we can do the burn test, right? And then we'll do also some, if anyone has some dye, you know, Haney, she likes some tie-dye because she's, I'm so girly, I like tie-dye. So you bring that, and then we can do some TLC well, actually we can do some chromatography.
Like donut. And like going to a party, the reason that
As I was saying, bring, if you have tight clothes, bring it so we can do a chromatography. So if we do the chromatography, this we'll see that there is some what? It's the back, and you'll see that, you know, the different dye will separate the same way we saw the color moving on the chromatography. So we'll do that, and we need to do chromatography of different pills. All right, so I'll probably bring some aspirin, Advil, anyone has some Vicodin, please bring it. No, don't bring Vicodin. And so we need to do it. So we need to do chromatography of dye. We need to do chromatography of drugs, and also the burn tests for different clothes. So bring your own clothes, different label, polyester, cotton, and such and such. And then I have another lab to do on drugs also. And what's going to be important also is to write your paper on the pros and cons of legalizing drugs. All right. In the meantime, I will put assignments online. So please check your Moodle page from now until Friday morning. So if you come to school to load to pick your work, so it will be there already. All right. So that's about it. All right. So what's great about this class is that I have no pressure. No pressure. I have no pressure to finish. No, you have no pressure to you know, to finish at a certain time. So you know, it's
that's a tree, and a doodle bug is small and duty and Louie, and Sender really.
This is when you send girls to Catholic school. That's what happens. And so that's about it. So stay safe, and you ready to go? Yeah, you go. All right. So stay safe and be well, and I shall see you next week. So a lot of labs. We have a test somewhere next week, and let's keep on having fun. The legalization of drugs, the paper, very important that it's you know, by you should have it. You should work on this weekend. All right. So I would say make it. It should be to follow what's on the textbook, and it should be at least 3 pages minimum. All right. So you need a good argument. All right. So you have to convince me why we should legalize drug or why we should not. All right. So work on this. All right. And besides that, I think that's it. So be good. Stay safe. And we shall come together. We shall stay on top. Because when America addresses adversity, we always come together and we pull through. So vote for me on September 6th. Yeah. Don't vote for me. I'm not running. Yes. Ciao. I gotta go. Bye-bye.